In this video we'll see more on inheritance. I am going to create a data class and object will be the argument. Okay, so let's define our init method. Okay, so init method will have self and let's say data as a argument. So here we'll assign self dot data equals data. Okay, let's create another method, get data. Okay, let's put here self as the argument. We'll print the data. Okay, data and get self dot data. Okay, now we will inherit from our base class data. Okay, so I am going to create a class named time and will inherit from data. Okay, so we'll define here, let's say get time. Okay, self will be the argument. We'll print the time. Okay, and let's put self dot data here. Okay, so now let's make a if statement. If name equals main. Okay, so we'll assign data equals data and let's put 20 here. Okay, and then take time equals time and let's take 10 here. Okay, so inherited class value passed to init method of data, that is our base class. Okay, so let's put here time dot let's say get time. Okay, let's put here data dot get data. Okay, and time dot get data. Okay, let's run it. So you can see here the value of time data and then the last one. So now we'll print the MRO function. Okay, time dot MRO. Okay, so let's run it. So you can see here